Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 19 and I am teaching you chapter number 10. Name of the chapter Home Sweet Home. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video we have completed the short question answer of the chapter student. Is it clear? In previous video we completed the short question answer of the chapter, and after that we started the long question answers. How can we keep our house clean? This question we have already completed in our classwork copy. Now two more questions are left. So in today video we will write the question answers of the remaining questions. So next question is, what put wire mesh on doors? How is a permanent house different from a temporary house? Question number 2, how a permanent house different from a temporary house. So question is, how a permanent house is different from a temporary house. So let's discuss first of all temporary house and then we discuss the permanent house. So student, kacha houses are also known as a temporary houses. Okay, in the past time mostly in the villages the houses you will see that are the kacha houses. Okay, and these houses are made up of a wood, straw and wood. That is the reason these houses are cool, especially the places where the weather is very hot. People build mud houses. So what are the advantage of these types of house? The advantage of this type of house is that it is not very expensive. जो आपके कच्चे हाउसेज होते हैं बेटा, इसमें मड यूज होती है, ठीक है, वुड यूज होती है, स्ट्रा है. So these are the things which are present in our surroundings and these types of houses are not very costly. ये हाउस बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं होते हैं. और इसके साथ साथ ये मड के होते हैं, इनकी वॉल्स मड की होती है, तो ये हाउसेस क्या होते हैं, कूल होते हैं, ठंडे होते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द एडवांटेज. व्हाट इज द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ ए कच्चा हाउस? द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ द कच्चा हाउस क्या है? मोस्टली आप देखोगे कि टाइम टू टाइम इसको रेगुलर इंटरवल पे रिपेयर कराना पड़ता है, क्योंकि मिट्टी के हाउस हैं, मड के हैं, जब बहुत ज़्यादा रेन्स होती हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ ए रेनफॉल, तो ड्यू टू वाटर, रेन वाटर, इनकी वॉल्स क्या होती हैं, डैमेज हो जाती हैं, स्ट्रा खराब हो जाता है, ठीक है. सो और पानी भी है, वुड भी इसमें यूज होता है, तो लकड़ी भी पानी में भीगती है, तो आपको पता है ना, लकड़ी भी खराब हो जाती है ना. तो दैट इज द रीजन. और इनके रूफ तो हार्ड होते नहीं, आप इसे डबल स्टोर कर नहीं सकते, रूफ इसके बहुत हार्ड नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि आपने स्ट्रा यूज किया है इसके रूफ पे, छत पे, ठीक है. तो दैट इज द रीजन स्टूडेंट. इसकी डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि दे नीड वी हैव टू रिपेयर दिस हाउसेज एट रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। हमें इन हाउसेज की क्या करनी पड़ती है, रिपेयर कराने पड़ते हैं इन हाउसेज को। ठीक है, सो ये हो गया। अब परमानेंट हाउस की बात करो तो परमानेंट हाउसेज को हम लोग पक्का हाउसेज भी बोलते हैं। मोस्टली इन द सिटीज एरिया आपको कैसे हाउसेज मिलेंगे, परमानेंट हाउसेज मिलेंगे। ठीक है, एंड दीज आर मेड ऑफ, और सिटीज में देखो अब पॉपुलेशन इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई कि लैंड बिकम वेरी लेस। लैंड क्या हो गया है, लेस हो गया है। क्यों, पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है। तो दैट इज़ द रीज़न सिटीज़ में आपको बिग बिग अपार्टमेंट्स देखने को मिलते होंगे, मल्टी स्टोर बिल्डिंग्स देखने को मिलती हैं, स्काई स्क्रैपर्स बिल्डिंग्स देखने के लिए मिलती हैं। और मोस्टली आज के प्रेजेंट टाइम की बात करो तो अब विलेजेस में भी लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कैसे हाउसेस बना रहे हैं, पक्का ही हाउसेस बना रहे हैं। एंड पक्का हाउसेस आर मेड ऑफ bricks, cement, sand, iron rod, steel, wood. Wood is also used for making the doors and windows of the house. So this is all about the pakka houses. So first of all we note down the points for a temporary house and then we will write about the permanent houses. First we will write about temporary house. Temporary house. So first point is कच्चा house is also known as कच्चा house is also known as temporary house. Second point, temporary house is found in villages. Temporary house is found in villages. Third point, temporary houses what is the temporary house is made up of wood, straw and mud. ठीक है, so this is all about the temporary house. Now after this we will write about the pakka house. You can take this, answer is not completed, only we have written about temporary house. Now we will write about the pakka house. Now note down. Now we will write permanent house. Permanent house permanent house is also called pakka house. Permanent house is mostly found in cities. These are made up of cement, bricks, iron, steel, etc. So this is the difference between a temporary house and a pakka house. You can take a screenshot, student, and after that easily you can note down in your classwork copy. Okay. Name the factor required for a good home. Okay. Next question is question number 3. Name the factors required for a good home. So what are the factors which are required for a good home? That is, a student, proper ventilation, so that the fresh air enter inside your house. Okay. So for proper ventilation, there are lot of windows in your house, so that the fresh air enter inside your house. And the sunlight is very important, beta, because you don't know. Just now I tell you what is the importance of the sunlight. सनलाइट के लाइफ में हीट भी होती है, तो इससे ये जो जम्स होते हैं ना, जम्स सारी हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में प्रेजेंट हैं, ये इतने छोटे हम इन्हें देख नहीं सकते. तो when the sunlight enter in your house, then it kill the germs. Due to the heat of the sunlight, the germs are killed. So in this manner, it makes your house germs free. Okay, that is also important. Another point is the safety. A good house must have strong walls and roof, so that it protects you from heat, cold, rain, and strong wind. Cleanliness. A clean house is a healthy house. We must clean our house regularly. आप लोग ये चीज़ देखते भी होंगे, आपकी मम्मी लोग रेगुलर हाउस को क्लीन करती हैं, क्योंकि हाउस में गार्बेज होगा, गंदा होगा, तो बहुत से जर्म्स होंगे वहाँ, और अनवांटेड विजिटर जैसे कॉकरोच है, लिजर्ट है, स्पाइडर है, रैट्स हैं, ठीक है, दे विल कम इन योर हाउस. सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. फैक्टर required for a good home, are First is the ventilation. First point is the ventilation. A good house should have plenty of door and windows. That allow sunlight and fresh air to come in. Is it clear? Second point, safety. Second point is the safety. A good house must have strong. A good house must have strong walls and roof. Roof क्या होता है? जो आपकी ऊपर की छत होती है. Is it clear? Strong walls and roof protect from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. So these are the 2 points you note down. Then I will rub the board, and there is one more point that we have to write. You note down that point also. Okay. Take a screenshot. This is the third point. Third point is the cleanness. A clean house is a healthy house. Healthy house. We must clean our house regularly. Sorry. So today we have completed all the book exercises of the chapter student. Is it clear? We have completed the book exercises. Now what is the homework for you? You will draw a kacha house diagram, what diagram you will draw in your classwork copy? You will draw diagram of a kacha house, pakka house. Then you will draw the diagram of a stilt house, and then you will draw the diagram of a igloo, the house which are made of ice slab, the houses which are made of ice slabs. Okay, so this is your homework, which diagram you have to draw in your classwork copy. Is it clear? Okay student, so we have completed the chapter. Thank you.